Got the floor swept out. Now we gotta go get some silicone and fill some holes. And then I gotta find a material that'll sit in between the higher edges. Put that in. And then I can put down insulation and a floor. I plugged all the holes with silicone. Pretty straightforward, easy to do. I cut wood that would line up with the top edges, filled in all the slats, and glued them in. Putting down the insulation. I used a dowel and held it from the shape on the outside and basically traced along to get the cut. Now I'm going to trace the insulation on top of the plywood, cut that to match. Got the wood on top of the insulation. Everything was pretty smooth. Found some sticky vinyl boards on sale. They look pretty good. Basically you just peel off the white paper, stick them together. It works pretty well, fairly straightforward. Cutting them was super easy, just use an X-Acto knife and they break. The whole process went pretty quick. It took about less than an hour and it was good to go. You can see it turned out all right. All the edges line up, no gaps. Looks pretty decent. Other than putting edging on, it's done.